people, I remember years ago when I used to do importing and training, a lot of people were like, okay, I'm the massage person, I'm just going to sell massage equipment and I'll be known as that. That's my business, right? I would say don't be known as that. Be known, call yourself the tester, right? And jump on different products, different niches. So I tested building products, massage equipment, and a whole bunch of other stuff, right? And I encourage you guys to do it as well. So do pets, do kitchen, do homewares, right? Find something, because you never know. It might not be your first product that takes off. It could be your second product. Or it could be your third product or your fourth product, right? So, yeah, that's why I encourage you guys to, test different markets. I started off importing from Bali with one of my cousins, right? We imported Bali umbrellas, volcanic rock Buddhas, these things right here. These things are bloody heavy as well. We used to go over to Bali and rent a 20-foot container. Do you guys know what a 20-foot container is? Yeah? There's three types. There's a 20-foot, there's a 40-foot, and there's a 40-foot high queue. So we just had the small containers. We would go to Bali and we would rent a container and walk around this massive warehouse, and it's called a wholesaler's warehouse. And it was like, 34-degree heat. And you get off and you're wearing your flip-flops and you're walking through. And basically the guy gives you a clipboard and he says, all right, so what do you want? And the warehouse is like as big as Bunnings, essentially, right? It's huge. And you walk around this clipboard and you say 100 of those. And it's got all these different products lined against the wall. And you say 100 of those, 200 of those, of 100 of those, 200. And he's just following you behind. Yep. And then spend about an hour there. And basically, he would put it all in the container there on premise. And he would close up the doors. And the next time I would see that 20-foot container would be back in the port of Queensland. Okay, so because he is in Byron Bay, he's a bit of a hippie, right? So he sold those mainly at markets and mainly through his retail store. But it was quite good because you take a holiday afterwards. You take a 2-week holiday in Kuta. And it was quite relaxing, and basically it was a little bit of a tax-free holiday as well. But it was a lot of fun. But that's how I helped my cousin get his legs with importing and get the best price as well. It isn't about China, and that's pretty important right now. Like a lot of people are sort of worried about China, right? Who's worried about China and this virus thing, right? Yeah. Has anyone been affected with a supplier right now? Who's been affected? Like delays, there's a few people, delays with sending shipments, maybe samples, maybe getting back to you, maybe they're not getting back to you as fast as they would, okay? Things are improving in China. I spoke to one of my coaches yesterday. He works with us, he's in Beijing right now, but based in America, and he's over there, his grandma's sick, and I was saying, hey, what's the situation over there? You're on the ground, what's happening? He goes, things are going back to work. Okay, it's slow, but people are going back to work over there. So if you are experiencing delays right now, connecting with them or getting your samples, things are improving over there. Okay,